Good evening and welcome to Science TV broadcast. Felix Makona. Our sign language interpreter is Wanja. The Deputy Inspector General of Police, Eliud Lagat, through his lawyer Cecil Miller, is arguing that the decision to charge him over the death of blogger Albert Omondi Ojwang lies exclusively with the Director of Public Prosecution. Lagat contends the DPP to file charges against him will be an illegal overreach of the Office of Constitutional Powers and could set a dangerous precedent undermining the independence of prosecutors. The DIG has consistently denied any involvement in the alleged arrest, torture, and killing of Ojwang. He states that investigation by both the Independent Policing Oversight Authority, IPOA, and the DPP concluded there was no evidence linking him to the incident. Gender and Culture Children Services Cabinet Secretary Hannah Wendot Cheptumo has strongly condemned the assault of a young woman identified as Bella Comedy during the Kutit Festival at the Carnival grounds over the weekend. In a statement, the CS described a video of the incident as deeply disturbing and pledged to work with law enforcement to ensure the perpetrators are brought to justice. Cheptumo has assured the victim and the public that the ministry is closely collaborating with the relevant agencies to ensure a swift investigation and that those responsible are held fully accountable under the law. Moving to another broadcast this evening, the Public Health Principal Secretary, Mary Mudhoni, has issued a stern warning to management of Level 2, Level 3, and sub-county hospitals, directing them to stop charging patients for outpatient medical attention. Mudhoni stated that the directive comes directly from President William Samoei Ruto, who has ordered that all outpatient services at these facilities be offered free of charge. The Principal Secretary warned that the ministry will be vigilant in enforcing the directive and that any health professional who defy the order risk having their license cancelled. Speaking about the Parliament Service Commission, the PSC, has announced the cancellation of its planned recruitment of 38 security wardens just weeks after inviting applications for the positions. The cancellation affects vacancies advised under the reference number PSC PJS 01-2025, which sought to hire officers to enforce security policies and the procedures within the precincts of Parliament. The roles include a range of security duties such as controlling access, operating screening equipment, conducting patrols, managing crowds, and providing first aid. The PSC, in a notice published in local diaries, stated that the advertisement from 1st July 2025 has been withdrawn. Now to court. In another broadcast of the court, that altercation, and now in another broadcast, the Chief Justice Martha Koome has highlighted Kenya's significant progress in judicial automation and digitization during a study tour for a delegation from Ethiopia's Federal Supreme Court. The Ethiopian delegation, led by Chief Justice Tewodros Kebede, is in Nairobi to learn about the Kenya's advancement in judicial technology. The engagement themed regional experience sharing on integrated case management systems and electronic record management focuses on Kenya's journey towards a paperless judiciary. Koome noted that while Kenya and Ethiopia have historically enjoyed strong bilateral ties, Formal judiciary cooperations only began in October 2023 with the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding MOU. That brings us to our end of 4 p.m. news briefing. We will be back again at 7 p.m. with more news. Stay tuned. This is Science TV. I'm Felix Makona, and our sign language interpreter has been Wanja Ngede.